Assalamu alaikum. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel. This is Shabir Hussain Bhatti, and today we will learn VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, press bell icon, and share this video with your friend and family members. And you can also follow my blog computerforlearners.blogspot.com. VLOOKUP function is very important and built-in function in Microsoft Excel. This is an alternative function for index match, but index match function is more powerful function because index match is used to look up a value, search a value in a multi-dimension array. But VLOOKUP function is a single dimensional array, and it will look a value in the first column, and based on the index will give me the value of that column. Syntax of the VLOOKUP function: it has four inputs as mentioned right side in the syntax. VLOOKUP C13. C13 is a lookup value. B2 to G10, this is a table array. 3, this is a column index number, and after the last one is a false, which is range lookup. Lookup value is a value that I need to search. This is my search criteria. This is my search. Array table is a two or more than two column in which I need to search my lookup value. Column index, because the table array consists of two or more than two columns, every column has a name: column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, and so on. Range lookup, this has only two possible inputs: true or false. True is a default value, which means approximately match, and false is a exact match. We will see in the example how to use true or how to use false. What is the use of true and false as well. This is a typical example where actually I need to just explain how this formula works. We look up C4. C4 has a English. Okay, C4 is equal to English. You can see 1 2 3 4, 4 is a English, so it will go for the English, and then B2 to G10, this is a light red highlighted area, which is my table array. Then 3, what is 3? 3 is a column index, 1 2 3, so 3 English, the answer will be 61, because as it is false, which means exact match, so it will give me the English. There are some important points that we should keep in mind while using the function. The first one is, in case of duplicate appearance in the data, function will return the first matching value from the data table. For example, here English 61. If the English also appear at the bottom anywhere, it will give me only the first appearance of the search criteria. The function will not search the second appearance or third appearance. It will always give me the first appearance of the search data. It is only vertical lookup function. For horizontally, there is another function which is called HLOOKUP function. So for horizontal we will use HLOOKUP. For vertical search we will use VLOOKUP function. The last point, if the function unable to search the data, it will give us NA error, #NA error. To avoid this error and display a meaningful message, we will use if NA or if error, which are also built-in function of the Microsoft Excel. Let us go back to our Excel to use these functions practically. Okay, this is practical example I already prepared for you to learn and understand. Just to save our time, V lookup is equal to V lookup English before or whatever, or we can search like this C14, whatever I need to search I can mention here in the search criteria, comma table. This is my table where I want to search the data. The column 1 2 3, this is the third column, and false. That's it. It's 53. As it is Islamic study has 53. If I'll select the English as per the example, you can see this is 61. Now if I'll change to Pug study or bio, whatever, it will give me the answer. If I will change the column index, it will give me the, you can see bio, and now the fourth is Muhammad, which is 82. So it will search in this column, the first column, and based on the index it will give me the highlighted answer here in the VLOOKUP function. Okay, if I have empty column, because in this table there is no empty column, if I will delete this one, it will not give me any result, and I mean it is unable to search the data from the data table. Okay, so to avoid this type of error, what I will do, I will just mention in the beginning of the formula, if NA, then here you can mention a meaningful message data not found, bracket close, and you can see. Now if I will select the subject, it will give me the marks for the subject and so on. If there is no data, you can see there is no error, but a meaningful message data not found. Okay, this example is for false, which means exact match. If I need to found a data within a range where approximately match will work, this is the typical example for the sales commission. In the sales, as we know, the sale is not exact. Sometimes I have 1 million sale, 1 million, 100,000, whatever the number will be, it never be exact. Okay, so in this case we will give a range of data and it will give us the result. Like from 0 to 100,000, the result will be 0%. From 100,000 to 500,000, the result will be 0.5%. From 500 to 1 million or 10 100,000 or 1 million, sorry, from 500,000 to 1 million, it will give me 1%. From 1 million to 1.5, it is 1.5%, and so on. Is equal to V lookup. This is my search criteria, comma, this is the table, okay, comma, column number 2, comma, true. That's it. It is 1% because it is less than 1 million. It is less than 1 million. Less than 1 million will be 1%. If I will add only 1 here, is equal to this one plus 1, because it's now 1 million, it will go to the next level, which is the 1.5. okay, now just drag this formula and you will get the percentage commission based on the sales of the salesman. Now if I need to calculate the amount of commission, very simple, is equal to commission multiplied by sale. It will give me the amount of commission against the sale person. If I want to use one function to calculate the final amount, how can I use this function? Is equal to VLOOKUP search the sale in this table and column is a 2 comma true. Now it will give me the percentage of commission multiply by sale value, it will give me the amount. So in this way I can use two function in one go. That's it. I hope you learned this video, and let us go back to our presentation. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please hit the like button, share this video with your friend and family members, send me your feedback for further improvement. Thank you very much.